This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So, first of all, you will need to launch settings. Onwards over here, go for the battery and device care category. Then over here you can see the separate section for storage, which shows how much gigabytes you have in general as per the phone memory. What part of it is being currently occupied. In my case, that's 22 out of 64 gigabytes. And upon tapping at the storage, you will be able to also see some, more statistics on what particularly occupies how much storage, and perhaps some storage optimization advices such as duplicate files you can remove in order to get the free storage space. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.